Hey, what's up, Anchor holders? So this video is going to be very special for Anchor and very urgent because this is a live price prediction of Anchor to what's going on in upcoming days. They fail is down more, or they jump again in upcoming days. Absolutely, this is very important, and I also share my opinion in this video. This is selling time, holding time, or buying time. My friend, all cryptocurrency, if you can see, first of all, very badly fails down this time. Absolutely, the Anchor is also one of them. So what we do, sell, hold, or buy in upcoming days. This is very important. But first of all, if we see this time, my friends, in the last 7 days charts, they are very badly fails down, minus 8.74%. They fails down. Let's get started the price production, my friend. But please subscribe ABS channel before I get started, because my friend, if you subscribe this channel, then you touch us with you touch with me. Then I guide you every time, my friend. I have 3 year experience in the crypto market. If you want to subscribe this channel, this is good for you. This is very good decision, my friend. If you can see here, my friend, this is the circulation. First of all, I draw a chart, my friend. This time, if you can see here, after a jump, my friend, this time after a very high jump, they fails down again, and after a jump, they after a fails, they take a jump, my friend. This is the circulation of every type of currency, and this circulation every type of currency is moving up. So after a fails, they go up in upcoming days. I hope they go up. So Anchor holders, please remember to after a fails, they take a very high jump. You can see here this time change occur minus 8.74%. So this is very bad. But if we check out, my friend, in upcoming days, they're moving up. So this is the target. The target is, my friend, 0.5 US dollar. So it's mean to half US dollar as the target of Anchor coin. I hope they can hit it. Absolutely, my friend. This time you can see your change occur minus 0.7 and negative change occur. You can see here they fails down, but after a fails, they take a very high jump, my friend. So it's mean to definitely in upcoming days they're going up, because if you can see here, this time they also starting jump, and I already show you and the last 7 days chart today going up in upcoming days. And if you can see here this time they are show you clearly, you can see here they're going up. So I hope in upcoming days the price is increased from and they can easily hit it 0.5 US dollar. They hit the half US dollar. What you say, please tell me in a comment box. My opinion is to please hold, don't sell it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. Thanks for watching. Please, the good time is coming soon now. Thanks for watching and keep touch with us.